My name's Ben, I'm 19 years old and I work as a service desk engineer, formerly Quick Fix. I started at ITC Service in November 2021. I joined as an apprentice and in the workshop, working on small installs and hardware, and then we moved up to Quick Fix. So a Quick Fix engineer is part of the service desk. They work on tickets that can be done in under 30 minutes or less. So, for example, a password reset, printer install, new user, etc. So it's definitely challenging at first. I think it's a big leap to go from spending hours on working on hardware and small installs to having 30 minutes to do a ticket. But it's one of those where it's a fast-paced environment. It's exciting. So the training at ITC is great. All my exams get paid for. My training gets paid for. It's challenging to do exam after exam, but it's rewarding at the same time. Just recently I've passed the CompTIA Cloud Essentials. I've done CompTIA, ITF Plus, Sophos, Gamma, among others. I would definitely recommend ITC as a great place to work. You get to work on things that you wouldn't really get the chance to otherwise. Loads of new, interesting technologies that I've never even heard of, I get to experience every day.